Well, welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change drop-down menu in Squarespace. This is a fantastic way to customize your navigation and make it match your brand perfectly. Let's dive right in. First, head over to squarespace.com and log into your account. If you haven't signed in yet, now's the time to enter your credentials and get access to your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see an overview of all your websites from your dashboard. Simply click on the website where you want to change the drop-down menu. This will take you directly to that site's editor, where you can manage all aspects of your design and content. Make sure you're selecting the right website if you have multiple projects running. Now, on the left side of your screen, click on Website to expand the menu options. Under this section, click on Pages. This is where you'll manage your site's structure and navigation elements. You'll see all your pages listed here, but we're going deeper than this for our drop-down customization. Next, look for Custom Code in the left side menu and click on it. Under Custom Code, you'll find Custom CSS. Click on this option. This is where the magic happens, as custom CSS allows you to override default styling and create a truly unique look for your drop-down menus. As you can see on my website, I have example code that I'll use to edit the drop-down menu. I have header nav folder content, which targets the container element, not the links inside it. And I also have header nav folder content A, which represents the content inside a navigation folder. These are the two main selectors we'll work with to style your dropdown. Now let's try copying the header nav folder content and paste it into the custom CSS field. Let's add some custom CSS like background yellow space, exclamation mark space important. Then let's add a border with border space 2 px space solid space black. This will give the dropdown container a yellow background and a black border, making it stand out visually. Next, let's try copying the header nav folder content A and paste it into the custom CSS field. And let's add text hyphen transform space uppercase. This will transform all the text inside your drop-down links to uppercase letters, giving it a bold, modern appearance. Now you can customize it to whatever suits your website best. Play around with different colors, font sizes, spacing, or borders until you achieve the exact look you're going for. The custom CSS field gives you complete control over the visual presentation of your drop-down menus. Once you're done, click Save to apply all your changes. Your drop-down menu will now reflect the new styling you've created. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.